Want to remove Elementor and Elementor Pro from your WordPress site? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. So, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and then Installed Plugins. Find Elementor and Elementor Pro in the list. Click Deactivate next to Elementor Pro. It'll turn off instantly. Then deactivate Elementor. A short feedback form might appear. Just select a reason and click Submit and Deactivate. Once both are deactivated, you'll see the Delete option. Go ahead and delete Elementor first. Then do the same for Elementor Pro. To cancel your Elementor Pro subscription, head over to elementor.com and log in. Click the profile icon in the top right and go to Subscriptions. Find your active package, click Manage this subscription, and locate your site in the list. Click the button next to it and confirm deactivation in the pop-up. And that's it. Elementor and Elementor Pro are now completely removed from your site. Also, my Elementor affiliate link is in the description. If you plan to reinstall it later, using my link really helps support the channel. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.